So there is nothing more delicious than homemade pizza. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a really simple pizza dough that works every single time. Let's get on with it. 3 cups of all-purpose wheat flour. 1 cup of water at room temperature, not cold, not hot. 2 tablespoons of sugar, white sugar. 2 tablespoons of oil, I'm using olive oil. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1.5 teaspoons of dried yeast. So this silver bowl here is actually the bowl for my mixer. The flour's in. We're going to add everything in, really simple. The water, a little bit of oil, the dried yeast, the salt, and the sugar. Very simply, that's going to go on my machine for about 4 minutes, nice and slow with a dough hook. Okay, so I've now set that on my machine. Dough hook's there. I'm going to just close this down. And I'm going to let it go on its slowest setting for 4 minutes, nice and slow. Okay, so that's about 4 minutes, and you can see that it's kind of collected itself into a ball. It's going to be absolutely delicious, really simple. So you should end up with a nice doughy dough. It's funny that, isn't it? Now what I'm doing is I'm kind of turning it in on itself. You can see that there. Then pop it in there. Now what I've done is I've put a little bit of oil in that container. I'm using a stainless steel, you could use plastic or something. And then I'm going to get a little bit more oil, just using some olive oil. Just drizzle that over the top there. Just sort of pat that down. Just so it doesn't go, really dry. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some cling film, shrink wrap or plastic wrap over that. And I'm going to leave it for about an hour and a half or until it rises right up. It's going to rise up a little bit. Okay, you can see that that has puffed right up and it's ready to roll. I mean, all you've got to do now is roll that out as you wish. You've got yourself a really beautiful, sticky, lovely, light pizza dough. And there you go, super perfect pizza dough every single time. I hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.